SAP Basis is the foundation of SAP ERP systems. It provides the technical infrastructure and tools necessary for implementing, running, and managing SAP applications. It encompasses various components and functionalities that ensure the smooth operation of SAP systems. Key components of SAP Basis. Operating system. The underlying operating system on which SAP systems run, such as Linux, Windows, or Unix. Database. The database management system, DBMS, used to store and manage data in SAP systems like SAP HANA, Oracle, or SQL Server. Application server. The software component responsible for executing SAP applications and business processes. NetWeaver. The middleware platform that connects SAP applications, databases, and other systems. System landscape. The configuration of multiple SAP systems, including production, development, and quality assurance environments. Security. The mechanisms to protect SAP systems and data from unauthorized access and threats. Monitoring and alerting. Tools to monitor system performance, identify issues, and generate alerts. Backup and recovery. Procedures to back up system data and restore it in case of failures or disasters. Responsibilities of SAP Basis administrators. Installation and configuration. Installing and configuring SAP systems, including operating systems, databases, and application servers. System administration. Managing system performance, security, and maintenance tasks. Troubleshooting. Identifying and resolving technical issues that arise in SAP systems. Backup and recovery. Implementing and managing backup and recovery procedures. Patching and upgrading. Applying software updates and upgrades to SAP systems. Performance tuning. Optimizing system performance to ensure efficient operation. Security management. Implementing and managing security measures to protect SAP systems and data. In essence, SAP Basis is the backbone of SAP ERP systems, ensuring their reliability, performance, and security. It is a critical component for any organization using SAP. What are the benefits of SAP Basis? SAP Basis offers numerous benefits to organizations that use SAP solutions. Here are some of the key advantages. Improved system performance. Optimization. SAP Basis provides tools and techniques to optimize system performance, ensuring efficient execution of business processes. Monitoring. Real-time monitoring of system resources and performance metrics helps identify and address bottlenecks. Tuning. Fine-tuning system parameters and configurations can enhance performance and responsiveness. Enhance system stability and reliability. Backup and recovery. Regular backups and robust recovery procedures minimize data loss and downtime in case of system failures or disasters. Patching and upgrading. Timely application of software updates and upgrades helps maintain system stability and security. Troubleshooting. SAP Basis experts can effectively troubleshoot and resolve technical issues, minimizing disruptions to business operations. Enhanced security. Access control. SAP Basis provides comprehensive access control mechanisms to protect sensitive data from unauthorized access. Encryption. Encryption of data at rest and in transit helps safeguard information from unauthorized disclosure. Security monitoring. Regular monitoring of system security logs and alerts helps identify and address potential security threats. Simplified system management. Centralized management. SAP Basis provides a centralized platform for managing various aspects of SAP systems, reducing administrative overhead. Automation. Automation of routine tasks, such as system backups and patching, improves efficiency and reduces errors. Standardization. Standardization of system configurations and processes ensures consistency and simplifies management across multiple SAP systems. Scalability. Horizontal and vertical scaling. SAP Basis supports both horizontal and vertical scaling to accommodate growing business needs and increasing data volumes. High availability. High availability features, such as clustering and failover, ensure uninterrupted system access even in the event of hardware failures. Integration with other systems. Middleware. SAP Basis provides the middleware infrastructure necessary for integrating SAP systems with other applications and systems. APIs. APIs and connectors enable seamless data exchange and integration with third-party systems. Overall, SAP Basis is a critical component of SAP solutions, providing the foundation for reliable, secure, and scalable systems. By leveraging the benefits of SAP Basis, organizations can improve their operational efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance their ability to meet business objectives. What companies typically use SAP Basis? SAP Basis is used by a wide range of companies across various industries. Here are some common examples. Manufacturing, automotive, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen. Electronics, Samsung, LG, Sony. Pharmaceutical, Pfizer, Novartis, Roche. Aerospace, Boeing, Airbus. Retail, department stores, Walmart, Macy's, Target. Grocery chains, Kroger, Publix, Tesco. E-commerce, Amazon, eBay, Alibaba. Financial services, banks, JP Morgan Chase, Bank of America, HSBC. Insurance companies, Allianz, AXA, MetLife. Investment firms, BlackRock, Vanguard, Fidelity. Healthcare, hospitals, Johns Hopkins, Mayo Clinic, Cleveland Clinic. Healthcare providers, Kaiser Permanente, Aetna, Cigna. Pharmaceutical companies, Pfizer, Novartis, Roche. Public sector, government agencies, federal, state, and local governments. Nonprofit organizations, universities, charities, foundations. Other industries, telecommunications, AT&T, Verizon, Vodafone. Utilities, Duke Energy, Southern Company, British Gas. Technology, Microsoft, Oracle, IBM. In general, any large organization with complex business processes and a need for efficient management of data and resources is likely to use SAP Basis. Salary of SAP Basis Consultant? The salary of an SAP Basis Consultant can vary significantly depending on several factors, including experience. More experienced consultants typically command higher salaries. Certifications. Having SAP certifications can increase earning potential. Location. Salaries can differ based on the geographic location. Company size and industry. Larger companies and industries with higher demand for SAP Basis consultants may offer higher compensation. Specific skills and expertise. Consultants with specialized skills, such as cloud migration or HANA expertise, may earn more. Average salary ranges. Entry-level consultants, 4 to 6 Indian rupees lakhs per annum. Experienced consultants, 6 to 12 Indian rupees lakhs per annum. Senior consultants, 12 to 20 Indian rupees lakhs per annum. Lead consultants, 20 Indian rupees plus lakhs per annum. It's important to note that these are approximate figures, and actual salaries can vary widely. Additionally, salary growth potential is often good for SAP Basis consultants, as the demand for SAP expertise continues to increase.